What's wrong, Benny? What's wrong, Diesel? What's wrong, Diesel? What's wrong? You want me to rub your belly? Or your legs? Yeah, your legs? Your leg hurts. Your leg hurts? Well, I don't think... Well, I'm busy. I'm busy right now, Diesel. I'm just finding you very demanding, Diesel. What do you have to say, Naya? What do you think of this behavior? What do you think of this behavior, Naya? He's being a big baby, isn't he? And maybe Naya could give you a belly rub. She's trying. She's trying to rub your belly, Diesel. What a big baby, hey? Well, this has been 2 minutes and now you're licking your crotch, so